Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet this sunflower bag charm. Let's get started. We are going to start with the receptacle part. So first I'm going to make a magic ring. To make the magic ring, I'll wrap the yarn around my two fingers like this. Then I'll insert my hook below the first loop and then grab the second loop and then take this out. Make one chain. So here is our magic ring. Now I'm going to pull the loop on my hook a little like this and then yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over again, insert your hook into the ring, pull up a loop. Just like this, you'll have to do this for a total of 4 times. 3 and 4. Now yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook and make one chain. So this is the first group. Like this one, we'll have to make total of 10 groups. Yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, pull up a loop, pull it a little longer. Again do this for 4 times. Yarn over and pull through all of them and make one chain. Like this, complete the whole round. Slip stitch into the first chain. Pull this tail and close the ring. Now make one chain. Now make 20 single crochets all around. So start with the first stitch. After making 20 single crochets, make slip stitch into the first stitch. Insert your hook into the first stitch and make a slip stitch. Now we're going to make the strap for the keychain. So I'm going to make 60 chains in total. After making 60 chains, I'm going to make slip stitch into the same stitch. So insert your hook into the same stitch and make a slip stitch. Now I'm going to place backside of both of these together like this, and then we're going to insert our hook into any of the stitch of both the sides. Then I'm going to take this yarn and we'll place it like this, yarn over and pull it to this side and make one chain. Now I'm going to make 3 chains. Then yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop and pull it as much as you can. Yarn over again, insert your hook into that same stitch and pull it. You'll have to do this for total of 4 times. Now insert your hook into the next stitch of both the sides. Yarn over, pull up a loop and pull it as much as you can. Into this stitch also you'll have to do this for total of 4 times. Now yarn over and pull through all of these loops. And make one chain. Now make 3 chains. And then I'm going to make slip stitch into this space. Then again make 3 chains. Insert your hook into the next stitch of both the sides and make a slip stitch. So this completes our first petal. To start the next petal, make 3 chains. Insert your hook into that same stitch and repeat the same process. Then insert your hook into the next stitch of both the sides. Pull through all of these loops. Make one chain. Now make 3 chains. Slip stitch into this space. Again make 3 chains and slip stitch into the next stitches of both the sides. Just like this, complete the whole round. Completing the round, make slip stitch into the last stitch. Then cut the thread and hide the loose end. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching the video.